Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into.
Welcome to the ultimate guide to building high-quality backlinks for off-page SEO. Backlinks are crucial for improving your website's search engine rankings, and in this video, we'll show you how to build high-quality backlinks that will boost your off-page SEO efforts. Stay tuned. First, let's discuss what backlinks are. Backlinks are incoming hyperlinks from one website to another. Search engines view backlinks as votes of confidence, essentially telling them that your website is valuable and trustworthy. So, how can you build high-quality backlinks? One effective strategy is through guest blogging. Find authoritative blogs in your niche and offer to write a guest post for them. In return, you'll get a backlink to your website. Another way to acquire backlinks is by creating valuable and shareable content. Whether it's a blog post, infographic, or video, make sure your content is informative and engaging. When others find value in it, they'll naturally link back to your website. You should also engage in social media promotion. Share your content across various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. The more people who see your content, the higher the chances of acquiring backlinks. Additionally, consider reaching out to influencers and industry experts. If you can get them to link to your website, it can significantly boost your credibility and authority. This can be done through collaborations, interviews, or expert roundups. Lastly, don't forget about online directories and resource pages. Submit your website to relevant directories and reach out to webmasters of resource pages to request a link. These avenues can provide valuable backlinks for your off-page SEO strategy. In conclusion, building high-quality backlinks is crucial for improving your website's search engine rankings. Whether through guest blogging, valuable content creation, social media promotion, influencer outreach, or online directories, there are various effective strategies to acquire backlinks. Implement these techniques and watch your off-page SEO soar. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Happy link building!
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you for watching.